Yeah, yeah. I don't weigh in Java. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wait in traffic. I move like magic. Snap my fingers. I'm in the zone. You feel that static. Let it happen. We don't chase it. We just go. Right on time, we don't rewind. Catch that beat, don't fall behind. Hands up high, we ride the line. Move that body, yours and mine. Right on time, we don't rewind. Feel that groove, it's by design. Tonight's our sign, no need to try. We already fly, right on time. Mirror ball glowing off your face. Moonwalking in a tiny place. Don't need space, we orbit close. Heartbeat talking, no one knows. You say slow down, but we don't stop. Red light flashing, still we hop. You move slick like sugar slide. Got me swaying left to right. Every second dripping like a baseline. Feeling good, we don't fake shine. Let the world keep ticking, we already kicking. In our rhythm, we design time. Right on time, we don't rewind. Catch that beat, don't fall behind. Hands up high, we ride the line. Move that body, yours and mine. Right on time, we don't rewind. Feel that groove is by design. Tonight's our sign, no need to try. We already fly, right on time. Stepping out like it's a scene. No script, just a beat and jeans. You hum a hook, I catch the flow. We trade glances nice and slow. No pressure, no deadline. We make late look like design. If you feel it, don't explain. Let your shoulders do the thing. We don't need direction. We just need connection. Clock can't spin whatever. Our style now or never. Right on time, we don't rewind. Catch that beat, don't fall behind. Hands up high, we ride the line. Move that body, yours and mine. Right on time, we set the pace. This rhythm's ours, this is our place. Don't think twice, don't ask why. We were born to ride, right on time. My drink sweating on the balcony rail. You showed up late, fresh out of the shower. Said you lost your shades again, but I can't stop staring anyway. You pull your sleeves and hum along to a song you swear I never liked, but it's perfect now with you, swaying barefoot in this light. We've got maybe 2 hours before the sun dips low, so don't waste a second, just lean in close. Oh, kiss me before the ice melts, before the sky goes pink, before you change your mind and say it's not a thing. Kiss me like it's nothing, but mean it like it's more. Kiss me before the ice melts, before we close the door. For this, or the fact we're bored in 23, but I don't need an alibi if you're already close to me. Your tan lines spell a map, I know. Trace your laugh from cheek to chin. You say this doesn't mean forever, and I say then let's begin. Kiss me before the ice melts, before the sky goes pink, before you change your mind and say it's not a thing. Kiss me like it's nothing, but mean it like it's more. Kiss me before the ice melts, before we close the door. No promises, no calls to make, just cold lips and soft mistakes. let it drip, let it stay, let it be a July cliche. Kiss me before the ice melts, don't wait for later skies. We'll find the reason after we've run out of alibis. Kiss me like it's borrowed, mean it like it's gold. Kiss me before the ice melts, before we both get cold.
Touchdown shades on, passport in your hand. Met you once to make a note, now you're in Japan. Told me I don't fall, I float, I said bet. Now I'm scrolling through your page like we just met. Your name's still saved with 2 red hearts. Times don't shift, but you're still sharp. You text tattoo like it's no crime. I hit you back like it's my prime time. Everywhere I go, I hear that beat. Every stranger's laugh sounds like repeat. You're not mine, but you're on loop, like a playlist I can't mute. Oh, jet lag crush, don't know a day, but I'd skip sleep if you said stay. You're in my head like summer hits, fast and hot, then gone in bits. Jet lag crush, you blur the line, I lose the hour, but not the sign. If this is wrong, then let it spin. We're too cool not to dive back in. Voicemails like a movie scene, half a joke and a tambourine. I play them back with stupid grins, like I'm 17 again. Your flight board reads delayed again, but I'd wait twice, don't need to pretend. If it's chaos, let it stay. You're the glitch I'd never fix away. Everywhere I land, you haunt the air. Smell of you in hotel stairs. You're not near, but you replay like my summer on delay. Jet lag crush, don't know a day, but I'd skip sleep if you said stay. You're in my head like summer hits, fast and hot, then gone in bits. Jet lag crush, you blur the line, I lose the hour, but not the sign. If this is wrong, then let it spin. We're too cool not to dive back in. You ghost, you blow, then text you up like you don't know. I fake the chill, but still I feel that drop, that thrill. Jet lag crush, it makes no sense, but I pray you like a consequence. Different city, same old spark, summer fever after dark. Jet lag crush, you've got the code, no map, just vibe, no fix-it code. If we crash, then let it flash, I'd still rerun that jet lag crash.
I don't wait for the room to see me. Don't need lights just to feel complete. Woke up late, no plans, no calls. Still walked out like I owned it all. A little crack in the mirror frame, still I walk with the golden flame. My heels click like a chorus line, even shadows can't dim this shine. They don't see the weight I hide, I dress my quiet up in pride. If I fall, it's on the beat, nobody hears it, just my feet. I wear gold in the dark, no one looking, still a spark. I don't fade, I don't bark. I've been quiet, leave a mark. I wear gold in the dark. I'm not dancing to be seen, I move soft, but I move clean. Let the glitter hit the floor, I don't ask, I just give more. Don't need flashbacks, don't need fame, every step is still my name. If I cry, it's in the groove, you won't notice I don't lose. They don't hear the truth, I hum, I let my rhythm do the run. If I slip, I do it right, still look lit in black and white. I wear gold in the dark, no one looking, still a spark. I don't fade, I don't bark. Checked in late with the ocean breeze. No plans, just you and me. Lobby lights and cheap cologne. A borrowed night, far from home. Balcony whispers, tangled sheets. We talk like strangers, heart skip beats. You said your name, I forgot mine. Let's lose control, just for the night. I got your name on a hotel key, slipped in my hand like a fantasy. Room 203, where we're meant to be. This summer secret, only you and me. Oh, don't ask why, just kiss me till the morning light. I'll leave my heart behind the suite with a golden key. No guarantee. Sunscreen and wine-stained glass. The world outside can move too fast, but here inside we pause the time. You look like trouble, I don't mind. It's not love, but it's something real. When the ceiling fan spins, I feel like this moment chose us first. Even if we both get hurt, I got your name on a hotel key, left in my palm like a memory. Maybe we're not meant to be, but tonight we burn so perfectly. Oh, don't say goodbye, let the ocean lie. You were never mine to keep, but I'll always have the hotel key. The hotel key.
You showed up like a heat wave in June. Flip-flops, freckles dancing out of tune. I spilled my drink just watching you move. You're a mess, but I'm into it too. We got no plans, just sandy hands. Ice cream melting down again, caught in the breeze, wild and free. A little too close, dangerously. Oh, you're my sun-kissed trouble, can't get enough. Riding this wave like it's young summer love. Oh, wild and in bloom, baby, we're burning too soon. You're my sun-kissed, sun-kissed trouble in June. You're my sun-kissed, sun-kissed. Laughing loud on the boardwalk ride. Your sunburned cheeks and stubborn pride. We chase the tide, hearts open wide. No rules tonight, just you and I. We got no plans, just sandy hands. Ice cream melting down again, caught in the breeze, wild and free. A little too close, dangerously. Oh, you're my sun-kissed trouble, can't get enough. Riding this wave like it's young summer love. Oh, wild and in bloom, baby, we're burning too soon. You're my sun-kissed, sun-kissed trouble in June. You're my sun-kissed, sun-kissed trouble in June. You're my sun-kissed, sun-kissed Don't care if we crash by the end. This kind of crazy never pretends. One touch and I'm out of my mind. Just keep wasting this sweet daylight. Woke late, tossed my phone. No emails, just my favorite song. Suitcase packed, I'm gone by dawn. Goodbye desk, I'm moving on. One-way drive, windows low, sea breeze tangling up my soul. Playlist loud, the day is gold. Tell the world I'm on no hold. Out of office, don't reply. I'm somewhere under sapphire skies. No more stress, just lemon light. Dancing with the tide tonight. Don't call, don't text, I'm free. Summer's got a hold on me. Out of office, out of town. I'm living loud, I'm feeling right. Flip-flop rhythm, dashboard drums. Mango stains on melting tongues. Shooting stars by the gas station. Falling fast without translation. One-way drive, windows low. No more clock, just letting go. I shut tight, the wind will know. Where we end up, let's not know. Out of office, don't reply. I'm somewhere under sapphire skies. No more stress, just lemon light. Dancing with the tide tonight. Don't call, don't text, I'm free. Summer's got a hold on me. Out of office, out of town. I'm living loud, I'm feeling raw. We don't need a reason. Every hour, summer season. No return, no deadline. You and me and borrowed time. Out of office, don't reply. I'm swimming under purple skies. Leave the mess and rules behind. I'm off the grid and feeling fine. Oh, don't bring me back. Just let me drift and never track. Out of office, out of town. I'm finally mine. You live like when, don't you? No leash, no lock, just blue. You live like when I see, I watch you and forget. You live like you live like when you live like when your feet leave prints that never last. You drink the day like breaking glass. The waves don't ask you why you came. You dive in anyway, no name. You run ahead of every voice like silence is your only choice. And I still tied to half a thought. Just watch you leave without a but. I water clocks, I feed my phone. You just breathe and then you're gone. Everything's that I never tried, but never ask the reason. You live like when, don't you? No leash, no lock, just blue. You live like when I see, I watch you and forget. You live like when you live like when you sleep in sunlight, rules don't burn. You stretch and blink and skip your turn. You trust the world to give you time while I rehearse each borrowed line. I chase the thought of being still. You move like freedom took a pill. And even when you're still, you hum like summer's always yet to come. Some days I want to lose my Trade my hands for pausing games. Forget the roads, forget the clocks. Just run until the silence knocks. You live like wind, don't you? Untied, unseen, just true. You live like wind, I see. And maybe that's what's missing in me. You live like wind. You live like wind. You live like wind. I wish I lived like wind too. Just us tonight. Forget the noise. Mute the world. Turn up our voice. No past, no plan, no wrong, no right. Just you and me. Just us tonight. Yeah, yeah. Just us tonight. Just us tonight. I saw your face stuck in the scroll, chasing things that don't feed your soul. But got snacks and vinyl spinning. Let's start losing, call it winning. Drop that maybe, pick that groove. Let your shoulders make a move. Close that tab, unplug the mind. I got space for you inside. We don't need a big excuse. Dim the lights, kick off the shoes. Every heartbeat's in 4/4. This room's the only dance floor. Just us tonight. Forget the noise. Mute the world. Turn up our voice. No past, no plan, no wrong, no right. Just you and me. Just us tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just us tonight. Oh, just us tonight. Let the pizza get cold, who cares? Let the phone light blink. Upstairs we got moments you can't stream, and a vibe that fits no theme. You hum low and I fall in, like the way you breathe feels like sin. Tell me lies like this could stay, I'll believe them anyway. They can keep their Friday lights, I'd rather lose track with you twice. If love's a show, we miss the cue, but damn, the freestyle looks good on you. Just us tonight, no one else. Not the crowd, not the mirror self. No rush, no end, no need to fight. Let's drift slow into this night. Just us tonight. Oh, just us tonight. Yeah, yeah. Just us tonight. Left my thoughts in the elevator, eyes on me like I'm the paper. Walking like I'm soon to thunder, smile so fake it might be danger. But then I hear that bass line in the aisle, that warm kick with the crooked smile. And suddenly my breath aligns like I've been paused this whole damn time. I don't need a reason, don't need a one, just that tempo on the 4 and 9. Let 'em text, let 'em call, I'm fine tonight. I'm not online. Spin me slow, spin me right. In this mood I feel like. Turn me loud, lose that fight. I wanna float before it's night. Spin me slow, don't rewind. Let me melt, don't define. I got no one else to show, just let the rhythm spin me slow. No makeup, truth and bathroom lights. Dancing solo, feeling right. This tea's too big, this song's just tight. I'm moving wrong, but not tonight. Candle flicker, skin. No stage, no crowd, no lines to hold. Just me and music growing bold. If I fall in time with the hi-hat and my spine. Let the silence skip a beat. I'll be the groove under my feet. Oh, spin me slow, spin me kind, like I'm fine, lost in time. Don't you fix me, don't you try. This is how I say goodbye. Spin me slow till I shine. Yeah, yeah.
Lip gloss heatwave, catch my shine. We light it up in 99. Rollerblades and bubblegum time. We don't wait, we redefine. Neon pink on my lips, gloss dripping. Sunburn kisses and cherry sipping. Sidewalk sizzling, we ain't tripping. Summer's calling and we're not missing. Mini skirts and shoulder sway. We're the soundtrack of the day. Window down, we yell hooray. A little reckless, that's our way. Lip gloss heatwave, catch my shine. We light it up in 99. Rollerblades and bubblegum time. We don't wait, we redefine. Lip gloss heatwave, feel that bass. Dancing like we own this place. Sweat and sparkle, no escape. Kiss me in this heatwave haze. Backseat giggles, candy store. He wrote my name on his surfboard. Snap a pic, we want some more. Hot like this, that's what summer's for. We got glitter in our veins. Every moment's pop champagne. A little wild, a little sweet. Let this heat wave never leave. Lip gloss heatwave, catch my shine. We lit it up since 99. Under stars we blur the line. You're all mine, this undivine. Lip gloss heatwave, feel that bass. Dancing like we own this place. Sweat and sparkle, no escape. Kiss me in this heatwave haze. Oh, lip gloss heatwave, catch my shine. We light it up in 99. Rollerblades and bubblegum time. We don't wait, we redefine. You ask what I'm doing tonight, and I said probably nothing. We walked with no shoes, no light, but it felt like something. We passed the same store twice, didn't buy a thing. Your hand brushed mine once and it started to sting. We got no plans tonight, just stars and traffic lights. Maybe that's all we need, a breeze and quiet streets. So don't ask where we're going, let's just keep on knowing. We got no plans tonight, but this feels kinda right. But this feels kinda right. You told me you hate July, too hot, too loud, too fast. But tonight the air's just right, and I hope this quiet lasts. If this was a scene in a movie, I'd forget the script. Just stay in this line with you and never flip the clip. We got no plans tonight, and I'm good with that. Just your voice in the dark and the sound of us laughing back. Maybe we won't fall in love, but maybe we already did. We got no plans tonight, and I hope it never ends. And I hope it never ends. traffic lights. Maybe that's all we need, a breeze and quiet street. So don't ask where we're going, let's just keep on knowing. We got no plans tonight, but this feels kinda right. Your laugh pops like a soda can, bubbles rising as you take my hand. Sidewalk heat and plastic fans, our shadows stretch across the land. Drip, drip, I'm melting slow, lemon sugar on your glow. Skating hearts through cherry light, you and I in full July. Peach soda sky, hold me tight, we're fizzing out like fireflies. Sunburned lips, sweet and high, we kiss like time forgot the night. Oh, 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 one more sip, don't let it fade. Let's stay stuck in this lemonade haze. Peach soda sky, peach soda sky. Sticky fingers, tangled hair, laughing like we just don't care. Poolside radios in the air, every second's rare to rare. Drip, drip, I'm melting slow, lemon sugar on your glow. Skating hearts through cherry light, you and I in full July. Peach soda sky, hold me tight, we're fizzing out like fireflies. Sunburned lips, sweet and high, we kiss like time forgot the night. Oh, 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 one more sip, don't let it fade. Let's stay stuck in this lemonade haze. Peach soda sky, peach soda sky. Don't go changing, not today. This buzz, this love, it has to stay. Even if the season dies, I'll still taste that peach soda sky. Peach soda sky, don't say goodbye. We'll keep running with no why. Turn the moment into light, freeze framing the sugar high. Oh, 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 one more sip, don't let it fade. Even in fall, I'll feel this day. Peach soda sky, peach soda sky.
You walk in like time's on hold, shades on inside classic mode. You don't talk much but your shoes do, tapping like they're talking to the groove. We don't chase that same old beat, we don't sit where people meet. You not once, I know what's up, that silent rhythm's loud enough for people stare, they always do, but they don't hear what we move to. They don't get this tempo trust. This room's full, but it's just us. Oh, nobody moves like us, no, no. We're the pulse in the stereo. Snap and sync, we float above. Can't fake this kind of love. Nobody moves like us, oh yeah. Every glance is a drum snare. Don't need to speak, we just adjust. Nobody moves like us. You tilt your head, I spin my drink. No script, just the way we think. You slide closer like a line. I read your mind between the time. They play the beat but miss the cue. We hit the pocket, me and you. Let them watch, they won't decode. This is private radio mode. Nobody moves like us, no, no. We're the pulse in the stereo. Snap and sync, we float above. Can't fake this kind of love. Nobody moves like us, oh yeah. Every glance is a drum snare. Don't need to speak, we just adjust. Nobody moves like us. While they talk too loud and think too much, we just let the speakers up in that same white tee. Smell like sun and lemon tea. Didn't say a word to me, but sat down right beside my knee. You scroll your phone, I fake a yawn, but we both know what's going on. The fan's been slow, the heat stays still. The silence has its own kind of thrill. No small talk, no how you been. Your elbow brushes past my skin. It's loud enough, don't need to speak. We're talking every time we breathe. It's what we don't say that makes this feel some type of way. No plans, no pressure, just this temperature we sway. It's what we don't say that keeps me here, keeps me brave. So don't explain, just stay, just stay. Just stay, just stay. The ice in our drink starts to melt. Still no words about how we felt. You lean back, your knee finds mine like signal sent without a line. There's music playing far away, a song we used to never play, but now it loops like it's on cue, and I pretend I'm not watching you. No promises, no sudden shift, just this rhythm in the drift. Every look's a little loud, but quiet's where we're safer now. It's what we don't say that makes this feel some type of way. No plans, no pressure, just this temperature we sway. It's what we don't say that keeps me here, keeps me brave. So don't explain, just stay, just stay. Just stay, just stay. We don't know a single word. Every silence has been heard. If you want me, you know how. Just don't say it, show me now. It's what we don't say that makes this burn in the best way. No rules, no frame, just our names under the shade. It's what we don't say that makes me want you more each day. So don't explain, just stay, just stay. Just stay, just stay. Just stay, just stay. Just stay, just stay. Met you near the sunscreen aisle. Your car was full of cherry ice. You asked, do I need this much aloe? I said, only if you're burning twice. We talked too long at checkout lane. Your number written on a sand-stained page. Said, meet me where the boardwalk ends. And I showed up late, of course, again. We weren't dressed for dancing, but somehow we still moved. That radio played nonsense, but it made perfect sense with you. Palm tree parking lot, top down night, dancing in flip-flops under broken lights. We weren't cool, but it felt so right. Just you, that song, and lemon Sprite. Palm tree parking lot, full of heat. We lost our rhythm, found our beat. Your hair got caught in my car door. We laughed too hard, we lost the score. You called me out on my bad taste. I called you mine, you said too late. But still we spun in that open space. Sweat and starlight on your face. And maybe it was just pretend, but I'd play that part again. We weren't stressed for dancing, but somehow we still moved. That radio played nonsense, but it made perfect sense with you. Palm tree parking lot. just cracked pavement and songs we played. But I'd trade 5-star and ocean blue for one more loop around with you. Palm Tree parking lot, don't forget, we made the most of what we get. No plans, no posts, just beat up sound and a summer spinning round and round. Palm Tree parking lot, full of heat, we lost our rhythm, found our beat. We packed too fast, left half our stuff, but who needs shoes when the road's enough? You said left and I missed the turn, but we ended up where the bonfires burn. Your hair's a mess from riding backseat. Bluetooth died, but we sang offbeat. We found a spot past mile 15, sand in the trunk, but we fell clean. And maybe we're not in a movie scene, but the light looks soft and the sky feels green. Oh, we forgot the towels and half the food, but you remembered the good mood. No signal, no schedule, no one to please, just you, me, salt, and a breeze. We forgot the towels and maybe the plan, but somehow we landed hand in hand. We forgot the towels and half the You poured orange soda in a wine glass, said to summer, may it never pass. We got sunburned in strange designs, but laughed through every tan line. And when your phone finally rang, you pressed decline, didn't explain. We just watched the sky dissolve, like a secret we won't solve. And maybe we're not in a movie scene, but the light looks soft and the sky feels green. Oh, we forgot the towels and half the food, but you remembered the good mood. No signal, no schedule, no one to please, just you, me, salt, and a breeze. We forgot the towels and maybe the plan, but somehow we landed hand in hand. We forgot the towels and half the I know it wasn't perfect, but maybe that's what made it work. It didn't look like the postcards, but it felt better than the words. We forgot the towels and maybe the map, but this the part I'd play right back. The songs, the sweat, the barefoot run, the way we kissed in setting sun. We forgot the towels and I don't care. We had a summer we didn't have to share. We forgot the towels and half the food.
You walk in like it's no big deal. Heat wave, hot and head to toe teal. My drink's warm, but I sip slow. You raise one brow like, yeah, I know. You say it's just weather, but we're sweating together. My fan's on blast, but you're the flame. Honestly, who gave you game? You're too hot to be this cool, breaking all my inner rules, melting me in SPF, laughing like you planned this theft. You're too smooth to be this loud, winking at a sweating crowd, and I should run, but what's the use? You're too hot to be this cool. You're too hot to be this cool. You text like you're still at the pool, emoji sun and triples. You say tonight, rooftop or beach. I say wherever you're out of reach. You're late but look like gold, even the moon's on hold. I try to act like I don't care, but baby, that's just hot air. You're too hot to be this cool, breaking all my inner rules, melting me in SPF, laughing like you planned this stuff. You're too smooth to be this loud, winking at a sweating crowd, and I should run, but what's the use? You're too hot to be
up fast. Around you nothing cold can last. You're too hot to be this cool. Like sunglasses in a stormy pool. I know you're tired, I know you're game, but still I whisper out your name. You're too hot to be this cool, and I'm the summer loving fool. You're too hot to be this cool. Summer loving fool. You pulled off on a coastal road, engine off, but we both know this heat is nothing on your stare, and that song in your stereo air. Salt on your collar, lime on your lip. We sit still, but my heart skips. Midnight at 35, I agree. The sea forgets, but I don't leave. I lean in when the silence breathes. You don't speak, but I believe. Nothing written, nothing signed, just your hand pressed into mine. Let the moon do all the talking. Let this heat keep us from walking. Just skin and sweat and almost touch. Your hair's a mess, you don't even care. You just smile like I'm already there. Later we'll blame the temperature, but tonight feels too to blur. If we're wrong, then let it burn. Every detour, every turn. Midnight at 35, I agree. We stayed too long, but stayed so sweet. I let you trace your name on me in breath, in time, and salty heat. You left no proof, no parting line, just your hand pressed into mine. Let the moon do all the talking. Let this heat keep us from walking.
Yeah. Ooh. We sat on towels that didn't match. My hair tied up, your lighter scratched. You passed me gum and said it's mint, but it tasted more like accident. The tide came close but never touched. Your feet were half in sand and such. You said let's stay until it's dark, so we drew stars across the park. And no, it wasn't perfect, but it fit like something worth it. I said nothing, you said less. Still I remember all the rest. Met by the water, salt in the air, nothing to offer, but we didn't care. If love was soft, it felt like this, a half sincere sunburned kiss. Made by the water, still lingers like this. You played that song with one ear in. I watched the boats come drifting in. You traced your name into my lake, said it fades quick just like regret. No promises were spoken, but nothing there felt broken. It held like take that taste, that sand. You I've lost in summer's bend, still feel like a maybe I'd send.